Twilio versus MessageBird versus Wati. Which messaging platform is actually better? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Twilio, MessageBird, and Wati, three popular platforms for SMS, WhatsApp, and business messaging, so you can decide which one fits your needs. Let's start with Twilio. It's the big name in the game, super reliable, great for developers, and packed with features. But lately, prices have gone up and some users are looking for more affordable options. Next up is MessageBird. MessageBird offers similar tools at more competitive pricing. It's developer-friendly and supports global messaging. But customer support can be hit or miss, and the interface isn't always as smooth. Now let's talk about Wati. Wati is built specifically for WhatsApp Business API. Perfect if you're running a small or medium business and want to manage messages, automate replies, and even build chatbots. It's much easier to use than Twilio or MessageBird, especially if you're not technical. So which one is better? If you're building custom workflows and need deep integration, go with Twilio. If you're looking for a solid alternative with better pricing, try MessageBird. And if you're focused on WhatsApp automation and want something simple, Wati might be your best bet. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.